Let's go! What does it mean to become a saint? Ano ibig sabihin?
People gather. Come, let's eat.
Gumbaryo ko, Macho Ime.
Hi! Anong tawag dun, bro? Ready, okay.
Front act. Hi there.
Si Reason. Hi everybody, this is the third episode of Preacher in Blue Jeans, and I am with the greatest guitarist of all time, Benedict Thomas Lopez Sanchez. Only say hi.
Hi.
No, he's the greatest guitarist for me. Okay, but he's still learning. I have taught him the key of D. Can you see? Can the camera look at the key of D? Key of D. That's it. Okay, D. Hit it. All right. Woo. Okay, A. Now you see, you have to wait for about 5 minutes before you can make an A. But A. That's it. Okay, A. All right. Now he's gonna try a G. Now it's gonna be a fake G because he can't reach the upper strings, and so it's gonna be a fake G. All right, last string on the third fret. It is. Yeah. Welcome to the third episode of Preacher in Blue Jeans, and you know what? It's so good to spend time with my son here. Teaching him the instrument, an instrument that I love. I've been playing this instrument since I was 13 years old. Ben is only 6, but he wants to learn fast and learn early. And we're going to talk about that, basically about learning, growing up, learning the basics and why the basics are important. And yet, what really is the basic what are the basics of the Christian life? And we're going to learn that it's love. It's not just rules or following commandments from a legal perspective, but one from the heart. And we're going to learn about that. So stick around and enjoy this show. All right, one more time. Come on. D again. Here it is. This is the day. This is the day that the Lord has made, we will rejoice.
I consider that lady really an angel sent by God. Then with a smile, and said, I've been watching you for the past 3 weeks, yet you cannot sleep because you are so afraid. Can you read it, go over it? It will help you. When I was reading, it just disappeared.
Wow.
So curious, I called for the doctor.
Hi friends, I am in the wonderful presence of a fantastic human being, a phenomenal human being. His name is Brother Mike Velarde. He is the founder, he's the head of El Shaddai. I don't even have to introduce him. You know who he is. But just being in the presence of someone who's been so faithfully serving God all these years, tsaka yung puso niya para sa bayan, para sa bansa, at para sa mahihirap. Brother Mike, siguro yung kwento nyo noong 1978 na nagkaroon kayo ng heart problem and the Lord spoke to you.
Well, that's a story that I cannot forget because that practically has changed everything in me. No, kumbaga that was my turning point.
Yes.
And now after 78, how many years na yan?
28 years.
28 years. Yeah. No, 28 years na pala, no? But I'm in the renewal for the past 25 years.
Okay.
Because after 1978, I strayed
3 more years.
3 more years. No, 3 more years. But the Spirit was really leading me to this thing where I am now.
Yes.
Kaya most people do not realize that before El Shaddai, we started, in fact, you were with us, when we started the Catholic Charismatic Renewal.
That's right.
In Quezon City. That was in 1981. So
yes.
From 1978, that
3 years.
Year when I consider that lady really an angel sent by God because she came into my room at the Philippine Heart Center past midnight. Biglaan lang eh.
Oo.
Then with a smile, And they said, I've been watching you for the past 3 weeks, yet you cannot sleep because you are so afraid.
Yes.
And she said, if you will allow me to open that Bible beside you, I'll give you a passage that can help you out. My first question now, after that, is where that Bible came from. Because in 1978, wala pang kumakalat ng mga Biblia noon sa mga ospital. No? It was the Small Good News Bible.
Yes.
Then, after that, nang binuksan na niya, tinuro sa akin yung first verse I read in the Bible. No? It's 1 Corinthians 10:13. Then, sabi niya, read and go over it. It will help you. While I was reading, she just disappeared.
Wow.
So, curious, I called for the nurses in attendance.
Yes.
Kako, sino sa inyong pumasok sa akin kanina?
Oo.
Sabi, wala ho, bawal hong pumasok sa inyo this time.
Oh.
Oo.
My
Wala hong
God.
pumapasok, sabi niya. So,
Unbelievable. That's beautiful.
wala talaga. Since then, kinukwento ito para somebody, baka kung mayroon lumabas, wala lumalabas. But vivid sa akin yung incident na yun. Then after that incident, I was able to recompose myself. I prayed. Tapos nakatulog ako for the first time. Pagising ko, bago na yung pakiramdam ko. Then 4 days later, my physicians came in,
Yeah.
smiling and said, a miracle must have happened to you.
Yes.
Because now, everything is normal.
Wow.
Oh, yun. So, yun ang istorya noon.
That's right.
And then after that, nagsugal pa rin ako. Kasi ang casino boy ako noon. Ang buhay ko na sa casino.
Yeah.
So, from 1970 to 81. Then, 81, what happened in 1981 is Father James de Sousa, remember,
Yes.
came
I remember him.
from Bombay. First charismatic priest.